Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the username of your PlayStation 5 account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first time you change your PlayStation Online ID, you get to change it for free. Once you have done it more than once, it costs $10. Here is how to do it. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top, and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. Now select Profile. Then on the next page, select Online ID. Read the information about changing your online ID and then click I accept if you want to continue. For security reasons, you may need to enter your PlayStation password to continue. You can now choose your new online ID. You can enter your desired name in the text box to check if it's available, or you can make use of the random suggestions below and hit the square button to refresh them. When you have decided on your new username, click Confirm. If it's your first online ID change, you won't be charged, but if it's your second time, you will be taken to a checkout page to purchase the PlayStation User ID change. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.